Are you still manually copying tasks from Slack into Asana? You can automate this entire process by using this simple automation. And so let's just say here, create a fun and cool video about a Slack to Asana automation. And I send it, and there, it's done. And now another team member will come and basically react to this message. And once they react to this message, then it's going to be immediately passed into a database being Asana. So check this out. And this is going to happen in real time. If I then now go to this message over here and I go to the right, I add a reaction and I'm just going to go with a tick. What's going to happen is that this is going to create a task within Asana. And there we go. It just populated right now. Create a fun and cool video about Slack to Asana automation. Hi, my name is Peter from Connex Digital. We are an automations and integrations company that specializes in streamlining workflows and operations for companies. If you're interested in working with us, please be sure to book a free discovery call with us. If you want more information, please check the links down below in the description. Without further ado, let me show you how you can build the Slack to Asana automation. Okay, so first things first, the digital automation platform that we'll be using to build this automation is make.com. We'll be using 3 modules to fulfill this automation. We'll use 2 Slack modules as well as 1 Asana module. So the first module that we'll be using is a Slack Watch New Events module. And basically this acts as a webhook. It's just waiting for a reaction to be received within Slack. So once a message is sent within Slack and then a team member or a specific person then reacts to the message, then this is what's going to happen. This webhook is going to be activated and then we actually going to then receive the response that is coming from Slack. What's also nice about this module is that you will be able to see what kind of reaction is sent from your Slack message. Then after this has been triggered, then we go to the second module. So the second module is a Slack get a public channel message. This module has been added because we want to retrieve the specific message that we are getting from Slack. So this message is directly linked to the reaction. So once an employee or a team member reacts to a specific message, then that message is going to be taken, and this is where we're actually going to get what the message is all about. And so here by public channel, this is where we're going to map public channel from the previous module, and we'll also map the timestamp from the previous module. And once we do that, then we're going to be able to get the specific message from Slack. So this is the second message, and as you can see, here are some of the details from the previous module. This is the mapping panel. You can see here type is reaction added, so that's the type of webhook and trigger that we are getting. And then you can see the reaction type over here. So you can see that it's a white check mark as you saw within the example. And then what we're going to map is the timestamp over here, and we're also going to map also the channel ID over there. So once we do that, then this module is set. Now, the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to then go to the last module, which is an Asana create a task or subtask module. So this module you can play around with, and this will be according to your specifications and your specific criteria. And I didn't play around a lot with this because this can be customized and configurable. Just reach out to us and we can definitely help you with that. But all I did is that I mapped the message that we're getting from the previous module. So all I did here is that I just mapped the task name. So where did I find this? I found it in the mapping panel from the previous module. So wherever it says text, that is actually what I'm going to map where it says task name. And what will happen is that the new task name that is being retrieved from the previous module is going to end up over here. And then it's going to then show within my Asana database. And as I said, this is going to be according to your specs and your configuration, but you'll definitely need to add specific things here, like task destination, which is projects, the workspace ID. You'll also have to add what is the projects, and then that's what you're going to need in order to set this right. And then once you're done with everything, all you're going to do is you're going to click on save. And that's that. This is how you can build a very simple automation where you take tasks from Slack and then pass it through to the Asana database almost automatically. If you're interested in us building this automation for you, we are more than happy to assist you. All you need to do is book a free discovery call with us so that we can get the ball rolling. If you want more information with regards to what we can do for you, please be sure to visit our website, which is connex.digital. If you want more information, please check the links down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to comment down below and let us know what you think about this automation or any other automation ideas. Please be sure to like, share, and also subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.